Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Rachel. Well, I say she's my client, she's not. She is my partner's cousin, so she's, family. So she's coming for a fresh set today. So I did all the prep work on her natural nails and I applied Glitter Planets tapered square tips. They're my favourite to date. They're nice and strong and just check them out. You won't be disappointed. So she wants a lovely bright set because it is summer after all, and the neons and all the pinks are so in. So she's pretty much having glitter on every nail, standard, why not? So on the baby finger here I did a full nail, well just to cover, just a background cover really, of Ice Cream Pop from Glam and Glitz, and then over the top I used Diamond Glitters Golden Flamingo multimix. Stunning. And just brushed that over the top. So then here on the ring finger I'm going to do is it called like a vertical ombre? I'm really thick. But I think it's called a vertical ombre. I'm sure someone will comment if it's wrong, but I'm doing an ombre, different style than traditional. So on that side I'm using the pink, and then on one side I'm using Snow White from CJP. Just kind of blend them together, not too worried about anything because we're just going to go over the top with glitters. So again on the pink side I'm using the Golden Flamingo, and then on the white I'm using the Angel multimix again from Diamond Glitters. Oh my god, that ring finger took forever. But anyway, onto the middle finger. I'm just doing like a wash of, not really a wash, I'm just doing a layer of Snow White, just a thin layer, and then I'm going to go over the top with that white glitter. So then on the pointer finger, I'm just going to do exactly the same as what I did on the ring finger. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but we're kind of doing white in the middle and then gradual on these two fingers, blending out into the pink. So the thumb is just, again, going to be full pink and glitter. I then cap all the nails in crystal glass. I shape them, I file them, all that good stuff. She then buffs her nails lovely and smooth, and she goes and gives them a good scrub with some soap and water, and then we're ready for top coat. Very happy with that shave. I hate this, I'm trapped in. How long would you say it's been? So I come in? About half an hour, 3 minutes? I forgot to mention, but I'll put a little clip at the end so you can see her other hand, but it was just the same design, but it was different colours. So the middle finger was pink, fading out into the white. So then here I'm using CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss, applying that nice and thinly over all the nails. She then cures in the lamp for 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you on my next one.